What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, it's your girl Felicity. And for those of you who do know, welcome back to another trading video, guys. So today, guys, this video is mainly for people who have the basic knowledge of day trading and just are looking for a strategy to trade the market. Like I said, I'll have upcoming videos of teaching and basic and helping beginners. But for now, I'm helping and teaching you guys strategies so you can put it to use and make great profit. Profit, my bad. So today, guys, we're going to be using a strategy called the Alligator. So what we're going to do is go to pocketoptions.com, guys. And after you go to Pocket Options, of course, go to your demo account. Always trade on demo until you feel comfortable and you practice the strategy and know what you're doing, guys. So with this strategy, we're going to be using technical analysis as well as watching the market and seeing when the alligator wakes up. Okay? And y'all will see what I mean by that. So, first and foremost, we need to go up here where you see my little arrow and click that. Make sure you're on candles, guys, as well as minute 1. So, candles and minute 1. After that, we'll go to this thing right here on the side and we're going to click Alligator. So when we click that, I have so many over here. So when we click that, you'll see some look like this, like all these swirls, guys. So next, I'm going to explain to you why we call that the alligator, guys. So the reason why, like I said, I'll get more in depth and everything when I'm making beginner videos because you gotta know the basics of the alligator as well. So basically, when the lines are separated and open like that, the alligator is awake. When the lines are, let's get an example. So when the lines are, the market is just, woo, shout out. So when the lines are all like this, like scattery or like this, it's not a good time to trade. Don't put or make a call option because you'll probably lose that, guys. So when the alligators wake up, when you see them wake up and you see the green line cross over the red as well as the blue going in an upward direction, you want to make a call for 3 minutes. Make sure it's on 3 minutes. So I'm not going to do it because I will enter the trade way too late and probably lose it. So yeah, guys, so basically when the lines are all together like this, example, like this right here, like this right here. Let me get a vertical line. Okay, so when they're like this, the alligators sleep. When they're like this, the alligators sleep. But you see right when the green line crossed over right here and started waking up, the market just started going up. Get it? So you can make a bet for 3 minutes and you'll probably win it because of the strategy. And always use technical analysis, guys. You want to watch the market and see like the past history and like how has it been moving. You don't want to just put bets in because you see it doing that because you will probably lose it. You have to use other ways to make sure the way is profitable, if you get what I'm saying, guys. So basically, I'm going to try and do a bet. Like this one could be good. Let's see. So we see that it was sleeping. So I feel like it's going to, no. Yeah, that one's iffy. So let's go. And guys, usually you should not click all over. You want to stick to a couple, but the market's so everywhere. And this one right here, guys, it looks like it might be a good call. Okay, so I'm going to place a $50 bet, and I bet that the market is going to be higher, and I will get back 80% of that balance after 2 minutes, guys. So yeah, the reason why I placed this bet, so you guys can understand, is because I see that the market right here was being sold for quite a few times. So eventually, when it's being sold like that, it's going to come up eventually. And always look at how low the closing price is and how low they ever got within the past 3 days. It's got pretty low, like over here. You see how it's all under the green line? So that's another technical analysis I use. But I feel like I'm going to win this, guys. And when I sue, I'll get $90. So basically, I bet at 50 and I won 40. It's kind of weird. I mean, I know you have to learn this stuff and like get very educated, but it kind of feels like gambling if you tell me. But I'm just saying it's not gambling, guys. Just saying. But yeah, so this market I feel like is going to go up. And it's just going to keep shooting up like it was getting bought. I feel like it's going to get sold like that. So let's just wait and see, guys. And I'm not going to close the page or anything. I want you guys to see the action of it. And I put it in right here. Okay. So we have a 1 minute and 20 seconds, and I'm not going to fast forward the clip or make it all fast because I want you guys to see what it's doing as the time goes. So yeah, let's just see. You guys see right here how the lines are starting to open more. So the alligator is waking up. He is waking up, and he probably will be awake for a couple, maybe 30 minutes. So that's when you want to make a good call, because now he's just up from here. Just up, y'all. And this is so helpful, guys. Like, I'm telling you, if you're trying to make money, you're legit about it, you're ready to learn, and you have patience somewhat, guys, you can make money. Like me doing this, like I got robbed, guys, like a year ago, and I was like trying to keep away from people. So I literally taught myself day trading, watch videos, so many videos. I got so frustrated. Look, bam, and I won that, guys. See? And now I have 140, guys. So let's go to the next one. I don't know which market to do, but give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, I have to switch over. So, this is a good opportunity. So I placed $50. And I looked here, and I always do technical analysis, guys. I just see a good move because the market was going down for a little bit, but I should not. You don't want to get too happy, but I've been trading for a while, and I know how it moves. So the alligator's waking up. He was asleep a little bit right here. Always remember, the green line has to cross over the red and the blue line, guys. And when it crosses over and it starts going up and or down, you can put a position in for 2 or 3 minutes. I used to trade at 5 minutes when I was learning this because I was so nervous and the market would just be like doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. But honestly, when you start trading and learning the market and stuff, guys, you'll see that it's easy. My gosh, sorry. When you start trading the market, you'll see which positions are easy, which ones aren't. It will just be way more familiar to you guys. So yeah, let's just see this one and see how it goes. In the good times to trade, I don't know if I did say it, but I'm going to say it again. 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. I go off of mountain time because I do have mountain time, but you get the gist. 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. are good ways to trade this strategies. The market just don't know what to do. That sounds so weird, guys. I hear my echo, so it kind of sounds cool to talk to myself. I feel like it's just gonna jump right when it's at my time. Okay, so we have 30 seconds on my time, but we have 8. And when this one closes, it's gonna make a new candle. Go, 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 push, push, push. There we go. There we go. There we go. Go, go. Sorry, guys. I don't know. Okay, I told you we made it right at the DM, and I got that, guys. So, that was a close call. But the market, like with this, it hasn't really been consistent. But since it's been going down and it looked like it was about to go back up, I was pretty sure, which is going to go up. And we see this probably is going to go up for maybe 30 minutes. So, I mean, if you're a day trader and you know, you gotta hop in there, like, gotta get it when, you know, you really gotta get it. It's crazy too, like, I wish I could talk to other day traders because they'll really know, but I'm so about helping people and just getting stuff right. So actually, I'm going to put another bet right there just because it just woke up and I did a bet. So I'm pretty sure it's going to just keep going up, guys. And then after this one, guys, I'm going to be done for the day. I just wanted to get on here and show you guys the alligator, the basics of it. Go try it, guys. Try and follow along with me. So remember, you want this is an alligator. The alligator's awake. It's always great to make a bet when the alligator's awake. If the alligator's awake and going in a downward position, guys, you need to buy that. Sorry, my bad. If it's going downward, you need to sell it. If it's going upward, you need to buy it, guys. So yeah, that's the basics of it, and we're gonna just wait right here. I'm not sure why I did that, but I'm sure and positive I should win this. I got this. Okay, guys. And the reason why I'm not trading on my real account, guys, because I really got to be focused. I can be talking. And I think I'm going to start doing live trades when I get more confident and I start learning way more strategies. I'm just happy I'm able to show you guys these. And before I show you guys these, I was using them for like a month. This alligator's new. I started using it for like 3 weeks right now, guys, but it's magic. And it really helps. But also, you guys, you want to switch up strategies, because, like, strategies won't stay the same all the time. I'm pretty sure after, like, 6 months or something, it switches up, because the market's always switching, someone's always learning something, switching things in the system. So, yeah, that's just something good to know, guys. And I'm just so happy and confident that this is really a financial security. And that's what I love about it, because I can just go like, okay, I treat this as my job, guys. Like, my kids even know. Like, I treat this as my job. Well, it's my job. They don't know all that. But you go and say, like, I wake up, do this, do that, and then I will trade for like 4 hours a day. But if I get a good hours in, with no distractions, but I do have kids, guys. It's summertime, so, we gotta get lit. But you get what I'm saying. So with this one, guys, I'm thinking I'll win it, but I'm not too sure. And stay tuned for my trading lessons and training and all that. And the membership is going to be free for certain individuals. But yeah, here we go, guys. I want it just like that because I'm a pro. Okay, so we won 220, guys. So basically, we put in like, you saw me guys start with like 50 or 100. I don't know which one it was. You gotta go back. But either way, I turned that 50 or 100 to 20 just like that, guys. It's possible. You can do it. You gotta be motivated. You gotta be focused, and you gotta have that dedication. Like, dedication is key. Motivation is key. You don't want to get on here just like, oh, I want to make a lot of money. Oh, I'm in this. No, because you will start trading aggressively, and your patience will be so and you'll lose money. Like with me, I started 2 years ago, guys, and I lasted around 400, but it took me a while, a month or two, because I was so aggressively trading. I wasn't watching videos. I didn't know day trading. I was just getting mad. I thought the market was manipulating me. All this stuff, people probably would think. But no, I was just money, money, money. But now it's honestly fun. I like learning strategies. I like putting them to use. I like finding my own strategies to make. You can make your own strategies. Look at the market, guys, and if you see it moving a certain way within like weeks or days, bam, like you can be smart and create your own strategy. This world is powerful and it's so amazing. You just gotta put the work into, guys. But for that being said, thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be coming with more future videos, guys. I'm going to try and start to upload, I'll say Saturdays for now, and/or Wednesdays, like I told you guys. But thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.